Hello, welcome to our presentation regarding this business opportunity. So handa ka na ba na magkaroon ng sarili mong travel and tours ticketing business? So if yes, makinig kang mabuti, sundan mo lang ang presentation na ito. So at Skybright, we have our ready-made system which is a B2B travel technology. In this system, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong portal na maglalagin ka lang para makapag-sell ng flights, hotels, and holiday packages. Aside from this, pwede ka pang mag-rebrand ng mga tickets which are booked from other B2C sites. Okay? So, di ba, sometimes nagbubook ka sa airlines directly or sa other sites. In this system, pwede mo siyang ma-rebrand. So, magagamit mo yung sarili mong logo, magagamit mo yung sarili mong business name, in your portal. So mag-generate siya ng ticket rebranded using your logo and business name. Okay, so let us continue. Ano nga ba yung problema natin sa travel industry or para dun sa mga mag-start pa lang ng sarili nilang ticketing business? So first is, medyo mahirap mag-start from scratch. So we know naman, kasi madami siyang mga requirements, marami siyang kailangan mo pa rin ng system, di ba? And then, ang capital medyo malaki and also the accreditation requirements. Tapos, minsan limited yung access mo sa mga airlines and hotel systems. Kasi if you're going to book directly sa mga websites ng airlines, minsan or most of the times, mahal yung mga fare sa kanila, di ba? Okay, and then if you are going to book naman directly dun sa mga B2C sites, for example, sa Kiwi, sa Agoda, Booking.com, Trip.com, maliit na lang yung magiging markup mo, 'di ba? Kasi possible makita 'yun ng mga clients mo yung profit na nilagay mo doon. Okay, so wala ka ring control sa mga pricing and branding if wala kang sariling system na gagamitin for your ticketing business. So what's the solution now for this problem? So that's why we offer the Skywrite solution, our B2B travel portal, wherein you can have an access to local and international flights, hotels, tours, admission tickets, transfers, and also you can issue rebranded tickets. Yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo kanina. Then, ang kagandahan pa sa ating system, own agency name mo yung lalabas sa ticket, pati sa portal, and you can also upload your own logo. So, rebranded talaga siya. Kapag nabook mo yung flight, nabook mo yung hotel, yung lalabas na ticket is with your own agency name and logo. Then you can also set your own prices or your own markup. So for instance, maglalagay ka ng 500 pesos or 1,000 pesos na markup or tubo sa isang booking. Or for instance, pwedeng ang gawin mo, maglalagay ka 5%, 6%, 10%, it's up to you. So, ganun kaganda yung system. And one more thing, malaki yung ating inventories. Later on, I will discuss to you yung inventories natin when it comes to flights and hotels. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung interface ng ating system. So, ito yon. Kapag meron ka ng system at nakapag-login ka, makikita mo dyan yung agency name mo. So, mag-iisip ka ng sarili mong business name. For instance, Royal Princess Travel and Tours. Okay? Pwede ka pang mag-isip ng mga business name na related sa pangalan mo o kaya kung anong maisipan mong business name, pwede nating ilagay yun dyan. And you can upload your own logo at lalabas siya dito sa upper left part ng iyong portal. Once mag-generate ng ticket, logo mo din yung lalabas. So mamaya, I will show you how to use the portal as well. Okay. So, ayan, makakapag-sell ka ng flights, hotels, and holidays or the tours. Okay. So, okay. Let us have the inventories. So, yung ating system na ibibigay namin sa'yo, you can already connect to almost 900 airlines worldwide. So, ganun po kalaki yung ating inventories. Ang system po ni Skybright is connected to almost 900 airlines worldwide. Mura yung fares, pwede kang mag-book one-way, round trip, multi-city. And we offer the economy class up to the first class. Okay po. Then sa inventory po naman natin sa hotels, we have more than 1.3 million hotels worldwide. From budget to luxury, real-time pricing, and instant confirmation. When it comes to our tours and holidays, isa po ito sa bagong features po ni Skybright. We have already the domestic and international tours. Kasama po dyan yung mga admission ticket. For example, your admission ticket at the Universal Studios Singapore, then flight and hotel packages. We also have there the customizable packages. So, yun po yung kagandahan natin ng system natin. You also have there the transfer. For example, magta-transfer ka from what do you call this? From the airport going to the hotel. Okay? Something like that po. And ang isa nga po sa unique feature ng system ni Skybright is the rebranding. Okay? So, here, you can use your own, again, logo and your agency name in the rebranded ticket. Okay? So, for example po, ganito yung scenario. Ito pong nasa taas is from trip.com. Yung Manila to Katiklan, April 22 to April 26 is 4,672 pesos sa trip.com. Then dun po sa system natin, the same flight po ay 4,764. So medyo mataas lang po ng konti tayo dito sa flight na to. So why are you going to book sa system natin, di ba? So pwede mong i-book directly siya ngayon kay trip.com. Di ba po? Kasi mas mura mo siya makukuha. Then, ipapasok mo lang siya ngayon dun sa system natin kasi may flight booking na manual po tayo sa ating portal. Once na malagay mo doon yung details ng nabook mong flight sa trip.com or sa kahit anong website, mag-generate siya ng panibagong ticket, magiging rebranded po yung ticket. Parang ganito po siya. Okay? So, lalabas po ulit yung logo mo dun sa taas and your business name. And then also the details ng flight and others. So, ito po sample ticket lamang naman po ito. Na-generate natin dun sa ating manual rebranding option sa ating portal. Okay. Now, paano ba tayo mag-join kay Skybright? Or paano tayo makakakuha ng ating system? Before that, kailangan po muna nating malaman yung business roles natin kay Skybright. Kasi pwede po kayong maging travel agent or maging master agent or distributor. So ano po ba yung kaibahan ng dalawa? When we say travel agent, you will have your own system. Makakabook ka po or makakapag-sell ng flights, hotels, and tours. Makakapag-issue ka ng rebranded tickets. Makakapag-set ka ng sarili mong markups. Makakagamit ka ng sarili mong agency branding. Okay? Yung mga features na sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina ay nandito sa travel agent. And ang kagandahan po ng ating system, you can get that for only 2,000 pesos po. One-time payment lamang po siya na activation fee. Wala po itong renewal. Okay? So, lifetime access, no monthly fees, no renewal. Then, paano po ba kikita ang isang travel agent? Through flight markups, hotel markups, markups mo sa tour packages, and also your markup sa ticket rebranding. For example, kanina po, na-book mo ng 4,600 plus lang kay trip.com. Pag nirebrand mo siya sa system ni Skybright, pwede mong dagdagan ng markup. Okay? So, pwede kang maglagay, for example, 300 pesos. So, magiging 4,900 plus na yung sisingilin mo kay client mo. So, you have a higher profit. Okay? Next po, what's the limitation of travel agent? So, of course, hindi ka pwedeng mag-recruit ng mga sub-agents under mo. Wala kang override income and no wallet control. So, explain ko po later on yung mga ganung bagay. Punta na po tayo kay master agent or sa distributor. If you are a master agent or distributor, you can get the same features na meron kay travel agent. You also have the same system, flights, hotel, holidays, the manual booking or the rebranding option. But, yung net fares po ni master agent or distributor ay mas mura kaysa po kay travel agent. Ibig sabihin po, mas malaki ang pwedeng kitain ni master agent kaysa kay distributor. Next, ang isa pong master agent or distributor is pwede pong mag-recruit ng mga sub-agents niya or agents under him. Ang kagandahan din po dito, sa bawat bookings ng agents mo, kikita ka din po. So for example, ikaw ay isang distributor, nakakuha ka ng 3 sub-agents mo. Nagkaroon sila ng sarili-sarili nilang agency name and sarili-sarili nilang portal. Kapag itong 3 ito or kahit sino sa 3 ito ay nakapag-book ng flight or hotel, you will also earn from the bookings na ginawa nila. Automatic pong papasok ito sa iyong portal or wallet. Okay? And controls agent wallet. So, pwede ka kasing mag-top up ng wallet ng mga agents. So, sa iyo kasi magpapa-top up ng wallet nila yung mga sub-agents mo. Yung wallets na yun, yun ang gagamitin natin po para makabook ng flight, ng hotel, ng tour packages, or holidays. Okay, so magkano po ba ang ating activation fee for master agent? So, master agent po, the cost of activation is 10,000 pesos. One-time payment lamang po siya. Lifetime access na rin po. No renewal fees. Unlimited agents po ang pwede ninyong i-register under sa inyo. And at the same time po, kapag kayo po ay nakakuha ng inyong sub-agents or agents, kayo po ay kikita pa ng 500 pesos sa kanila. Okay? So, they will be paying po kasi yung 2,000 pesos na activation fee, pero yung isesend nyo lang po kay Skybright is 1,500 pesos po. Yung 500 pesos, that will be your commission po. So, mas marami pong ways of earning kay Master Agent. But no worries naman po, if you are a travel agent, then after ilang months na gustuhan nyo pong maging distributor, pwede po yun. Alright po, next. So what are the benefits or why master agents earn more? So cheaper net fares, mas mura po yung net fares na makukuha ninyo doon sa portal ninyo compare sa mga travel agents. So for example po, yung isang flight, pag sinearch siya sa system ni master agent, lalabas po for example is 3,500. Pero the same flight po, pag sinearch sa system po ni travel agent, possible yun po ay 3,700 na or 3,600 something. So, mas mura po yung nakukuhang net fares ni master agents. Then, automatic na po yung override income. So, pwede po kayong kumita sa activation ng inyong agents. And then, the personal sales income, of course, kung kayo po ay makapag-book din ng flight and hotel and also holiday packages. Okay. Ito po yun. So, how override income works. Paano ba siya nangyayari? Kapag nag-book po yung agent ninyo, automatic pong gagawin ng system is to add yung inyo pong markup. So, dapat po sa system ninyo, may nakaset po kayong markup. For example, 5%. or 300 pesos, 500 pesos, something like that. Yung markup nyo pong yun is maa-add po siya sa presyo ng net fares ng inyong agent. At once na makomplete po yung booking, yung inyo pong markup na yon automatic pong pupunta sa inyong wallet. Kung ang inilagay po ninyo na markup ninyo is 300 pesos, nag-book si agent, yung 300 pesos po is pupunta sa inyong sariling wallet. Okay, so our wallet and top-up system, both for the master agent and also for the agent, wallet-based booking, kung wala pong laman po yung inyong portal wallet, hindi po makakabook. So that's why you have to top up that po. And then, madali lang naman po yung ating process ng top up. Meron din po tayong manual kung paano po yun gawin. So, send lang po sa bank account po ni Skybright. Then, submit request po sa portal. Super dali lamang po siya. And then, i-approve lang po yun ng admin ni Skybright. And then, papasok na po siya sa inyong portal and you can already book. Kapag naman po kayo ay may mga travel agent, kayo po ang magta-top up sa kanila. Kayo po ang maglalagay sa wallet nila, hindi po si Skybright kasi under nyo po sila. Alright? Next po. So, when it comes to the branding and professional image, ang kagandahan po natin, sarili nyong business name, sarili nyo pong logo, yung tickets po natin is branded din po. Logo nyo rin po and agency name ang nasa ticket and also the invoice. Nada-download din lang po natin or ipiprint or send to our customers. That's it. As easy as that po. Hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-edit pa ng ticket para ilagay yung pangalan ng business name nyo and logo, something like that. Okay, so bakit po ba magandang kumuha ng system ni Skybright? You control the pricing, branding, income, and growth. Why should you choose us? Or which role are you going to choose po? If you want to sell only hotels, flights, and tours to your clients, you choose the travel agent. If you want long-term income, passive earnings, and system-based business, you choose the master agent po. Okay? So how to get started? Choose your role, mag-register po, hintayin po na ma-activate yung inyong account, lamnan ng inyong wallet, and you can already start selling. Yung atin pong wallet, wala naman po siyang minimum amount and maximum amount. Depende po sa kung magkano yung kailangan po ninyong fund wallet. Next po. Okay, so start your own travel business today. Start earning from travel, build your own agent network. Register now through www.skybright.ph. Thank you so much po and mabuhay!